Vaseline has been around for years and mom often used it for cuts and scrapes, but it's much more versatile than that. You will be amazed at the many ways you can use Vaseline. In this video, we've put together a collection of very handy and inexpensive uses for Vaseline that you never knew before, and we are confident that there's plenty to discover. Number 1. Helps wounds heal. Petroleum jelly hit the market almost 150 years ago. It's still a favorite of dermatologists. That's because it seals water into your skin. That's good for your wounds because they need a moist place to heal. It may take up to twice as long for dry, injured skin to get better. This oily moisturizer may also ease the redness of a new scar and lower your chances of infection. It also won't burn when you put it on. Number 2. Help for atopic dermatitis in babies. Petroleum jelly or Vaseline can relieve itchy skin in newborns and infants. If atopic dermatitis runs in your family, petroleum jelly may be a low-cost way to help your child avoid it. You can start to use it on your baby's skin about 3 weeks after they are born. Number 3. It can kill mature lice, but not the eggs. Like mayonnaise, petroleum jelly is a home remedy for lice. Research shows it may kill adult lice, but it doesn't keep the eggs, known as nits, from hatching. That means it's not a good way to control lice. Instead, you should use medicine that's made to kill lice, called a pediculicide. Number 4. Blister Prevention. Before you head out for a run, rub some petroleum jelly between your legs or on your heels. It may keep you from chafing in areas that rub together. If you do get a blister, petroleum jelly on your sore can help it heal. Number 5. Diaper rash relief. Petroleum jelly protects the skin from outside stuff. That includes your baby's poop and pee. You can use it between diaper changes if your baby gets a rash. That's good for babies' butts and parents' hands. And there's no evidence that costly diaper rash creams work better than petroleum jelly. But that doesn't mean you have to toss them. Number 6. Eye moisturizer. The skin around your eyes is really thin. This means it can get bothered easily. A layer of petroleum jelly can give your eyelids some added moisture. It's also a safe way to remove eye makeup, but try not to get any inside your eye. It's not likely to cause an allergic reaction, but it could add bacteria. Number 7. Nail moisturizer. You don't need costly creams to keep your nails in good shape. Petroleum jelly can hydrate all parts of your hands. If your nails are brittle, it can help fill in and smooth out some of the ridges and rough spots. If you get manicures a lot, you may want to dab some on after your next session. But make sure your nails are still a little damp first to seal in the water. Number 8. A gentle makeup remover. Makeup remover can be expensive and tough on your eyes. A Vaseline is an inexpensive option that easily and gently removes eyeliner, mascara, and even the eyelash glue your falsies leave behind. Number 9. Ear and jewelry care. If you don't wear earrings very often, those holes can become troublesome. Rub Vaseline or petroleum jelly over your earlobes and the earring first to help it slide in painlessly. But please don't eat Vaseline. In large doses, petroleum jelly can give you diarrhea or stomach cramps. It may make you throw up. Keep it away from kids and pets. You don't need to worry if they get a little in their mouth. But if they can't swallow or they cough a lot, call the doctor. That's all for today. If you like the video, then please hit thumbs up and subscribe.